At Standard Electric, we believe in helping you manage your inventory to ensure peak profitability and efficiency.
Mac Machinery, located in Carroll Stream, Illinois. We build thermoforming equipment, and Standard Electric has been a key partner in our success. So it's been a great relationship, but they're always striving to make Mac better, introducing new products, and they currently do our VMI process as well. They're here quite often, and we work closely together, and we are making Mac Machinery grow.
Here at Desert Air, we make dehumidifiers for large companies, smaller homes, and Standard Electric does our inventory for VMI. It's easy, we don't have to do it, and which we really do appreciate that, because then we can get our product out on time.
That's our biggest goal here is, we don't get paid until we ship these machines out of our facility, so the faster we get these machines built, the faster we're getting paid. And Standard Electric helps us by bringing the product in here in an efficient time frame, the time frame that we need to complete our build.
We are a very fast-paced company, and making sure that we have all the parts because of Standard Electric helps the efficiency of our guys, because we can't have any downtime. If we don't have the parts, my guys are standing around. But with the help of Standard Electric, my guys always have what they need to get the job done.
Our comprehensive inventory management services help reduce costs, save time, and increase your profit. We provide real-time inventory tracking, product standardization, and advanced reporting, all tailored to meet your unique needs.
Standard Electric is a great partner because we rely on Standard for all our needs to get our product out the door. So we really, really appreciate Standard being there for us. There's nothing better than Standard Electric.
We hope you choose Standard Electric's inventory management services and experience a partnership that drives cost savings and operational efficiency. Contact us today to get started.